Hello, many of you were talking about the room tour, so here I am with my room tour. But before that, I would like to give you my introduction. My name is YAKEEN and I am a class 12 student and also a NEET aspirant. And so let's go inside. So when you come inside, you will get to see the first of all this wall which is on your right hand side, and in this wall, first of all I would like to say that my room doesn't have a plaster, which means it doesn't have any kind of paint on anything else. So I tried to make it more just colorful. I literally mean the word colorful. That's why I pasted 4 types of color in this wall and tried to put so I don't know the exact name of these lights, but you can say I would call it LED. I put that this light was not here. There was a yellow color light which I will show you where it is, but for now this light is a little bit longer. That's why I put a extra line over here. Then after you will see this almirah, and I will tell you one thing that my room was not having this one inside my room, but some days before my mother told me that you need some storage to put your clothes in, so I think this one will do its work. So in this one you will have to see my clothes. I will not show you the clothes. And in this one my mother's clothes. I think to put my books here and here. I'm not really using this one, but I will surely use it. And then after you will see this wall. I'm thinking to put black papers in the whole wall, but for now I just put it this one, but I will surely fill this wall with black paper, and I'm thinking that it will surely match the vibe of me. Then after you will see this whiteboard which you might have seen in most of my videos. This is one of the simplest and minimized application ever. After opening the application, you'll get 3 options. 1. Type your own question. 2. Take a picture of your own question. 3. You can choose from the popular question which they think is popular according to the topics. And I am going for the popular one, asking the physics question, and it will connect me to an expert tutor within 60 seconds. That means no waste of time. The teacher will give you time to clear your concept no matter what time it takes. So what are you waiting for? The link of this amazing application is in the description and in the pinned comment below. You can go and check it out. I didn't tell you earlier that you are going to see a brief of my room, that I am not going to tell you huge about these things that I use this, I use that, this will help you. I am just telling you what I use and what my rooms look like. And then after, the most important part of this room is this table and this chair. And this table, first of all, this is my computer, which is very much slower. If you just try to turn it on, it will take around 30 to 35 minutes to turn on. And now I use in my chair. I bought this chair and a table around November, in the month of November, as a gift for my mother, my friend as well. I put my pen stand here, speaker, monitor, this keyboard. Sometimes I use my monitor like this or like this. It just depends upon my mood where I'm sitting. If I'm sitting in this way, the monitor will be turned this way or either this way. Then this is one of the best part of this table is this night lamp. Whenever I study in night, I just turn it on and this does work. Then you know this one. What is this? Mouse. This cute mouse pad is really very good. I would like to show you. And then one interesting fact, I'm shooting this video at 12:35 AM. And now there's a mug just to enhance the beauty of this table, and this flower. I put all of my notebooks here. I'm thinking to put this bunch of copies there. So earlier this table was like in this way, and one more thing, that when the table was in this way, the shots which you see, I am studying like this, and you are watching me from upside. The shot was taken by this one, and I really love those shots. And now it is just a new setup, and I have to figure it out that where I'm going to use it. But for now, it will be here. And I use this one for putting a small pieces of tech like these things. I put it here or either here. This small drawer contains all of my necessary things which are really important for my daily basis. And this one and this compartment, I use this to put my all of the books which I use for my NEET preparation. And you'll get to see around more than 30 or 35 types of books are in there, and I mostly use only 5 to 10, and rest are. One more thing, I put my cap and headphone here. I think this looks a little bit cool, and whenever I need to put my phone charge, and I put it like this or either like this, and in this way I'm not seeing my phone, and I put my phone in silent mode so that I'm not receiving, if I am receiving any kind of notification, I will be not notified, and it will be there, and whenever I am needed very much, I will pick it up and use it. And after that, the only part is left is this bed, which I love very much, and I used to like come here and I will meet you after an hour. This table right here is the oldest table which I have, and in my earlier videos, you will say first or second or third, these 3 videos have been shooted from this table. Currently I use this table as a secondary table, and this chair as another secondary chair for studying. Whenever I feel like that this table is not motivating me, then I took my books and copies and I started studying here. I will suggest you one more thing, that try switching your study place, and you will get a boost of motivation to study and to be more productive. So that's it. That is the room tour of me, and I will say that this room is not the most organized, and in my case, and I think that I can organize it more. That is a very gradual process that will take a lot of time, and if you have subscribed this channel, then you will get to see my. That's it. That is the whole organized room by me. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please do give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and I will meet you on the next video. But before you leave, make sure to hit your red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that my video's notification reaches to you very first. And I will meet you on the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and take care of the loving ones around you. Bye.